Now we move to data types. The data is measured in bytes, which is a unit of digital information that contain 8 bits. So we are used to how many megabytes do we have in the data. So 1 megabyte is about 1000 kilobytes, and 1 gigabyte is about 1000 megabytes. So this is how the relationship. So if you want to convert something, for example, from terabyte to megabyte, you need to first convert to gigabyte, then from gigabyte to megabyte. So as the data is increasing, the measures are being created to have higher level. Terabyte is becoming common, small, then but we have petabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, zettabyte. So data can be open source or proprietary. When they are open source, they are free. You can use it. So if you download something on the internet and they say it's open source, then you are free to use it. You may need to just reference where you got it from to avoid the plagiarism or to just give credit. But when it is proprietary, usually to access it will require some kind of access. Either you have paid or you log on, you have password. So you should avoid a situation in which you use unethical way to access data that is under protection. That is what makes you a professional. So the data may have copyright law or patent, such that it may become a subject of litigation if it is not properly handled. Then data can also be classified into structure and unstructured, while we have semi-structure in between. Structured data are the one we are used to. The one that are in table, they are flat. They are usually in rows and columns. You can see it clearly. So what we have been processing in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, using SQL, they are structured data. They can also be very big, and you may need a special way of analyzing when the rows are more. But the major issue is about the unstructured data, which does not have any defined model or well organized arrangement. So they can have different formats. For example, if you want to analyze videos from YouTube, you use your audio file or PDF file or social media data. They are usually of different formats, and to combine them to get any summary analysis will require special skill. So in between them we have semi-structure, those that have some structure but not well clear, like the normal row and column. Example is the HTML text. So from structure to unstructured, most of the static data are structured. So most of the structured data are static. You can have dynamic one, but you download. So but the unstructured are more real time in nature. For example, social media data, when you are downloading, 1 minute after, if you want to download again, another information might have been there. So that makes it real time. So the rate of change is high. But structure, if you create a database that you have entered some information into, so the database may remain the same for a long time. So this, as we move from this database, website, audio, they are becoming more unstructured, and they can have the characteristics of being happening in real time. So let's stop there while we move to the next video to continue.